Hi everyone, this is Rebeka from MileageWise. In this video, I'll show you how to generate an IRS-Proof Mileage Log using the MileageWise app. Along the way, we'll explore different scenarios you might encounter during the process, including how to handle warnings and errors that the app might send. To get started, head to the Trips menu in the app. Scroll to the bottom of the screen. On the right side of the monthly summarizer, you'll see a printer icon. You can tap it to access the report generator. Let's start with a smooth scenario where no warnings or errors appear. First, select your desired vehicle and the time period. As for now, you can only access 1 month at a time. Generate your report by tapping on this button. The app will perform an automatic check for discrepancies, warnings, or errors. If no issues are found, the app will generate your report. In the next scenario, I'll show you a case where the auditor detects a problem and sends a warning. For example, you can see that we're missing an end-of-month odometer reading. Warnings are not mandatory to resolve, so you can choose to tap the Generate Anyway button. Only use this if you're sure that your log is accurate and the warning is acceptable for you. As you can see, it lets you generate the report. However, I'll show you how to add the missing odometer reading. Navigate to the odometer reading section in the Profile menu. Add the month you are working on and enter the odometer reading. After entering the odometer reading, return to the report generator. Now, you'll be able to generate your report without any warnings. Now, let's look at a scenario where the app detects an error. For example, if your logged miles exceed the realistic travel distance for the month, it will instruct you to increase your end-of-month odometer reading or delete some trips. A typical example of when this can happen is when you added an end-of-month odometer reading estimate instead of the real reading on the first of the following month. However, if you're sure that your odometer reading is correct, review your log to see if you entered duplicate trips or made any other mistakes. Errors must be resolved to generate the report. Here's how to fix it. Enter the Profile menu and go to the odometer readings. Modify the reading to ensure that the mileage aligns realistically with your logged trips. Return to the report generator. Now that the error is corrected, you can successfully generate your report. Now, here's a quick recap of the steps. Tap the printer icon at the bottom of the Trips menu. Tap on the Generate IRS-Proof Mileage Log button. Address any warnings or errors that might appear on your screen. If your log passes the Built-in IRS Auditor, the app will generate your report. An IRS-Proof Mileage Log makes sure that your records are accurate, compliant, and ready for taxes. The app's built-in IRS Auditor feature helps you catch and resolve any potential issues so you can generate your report with confidence. That's all for today. With these tools, you'll be ready to handle any situation while generating your mileage log. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. For more insights, visit our blog and help center. See you next time!